good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech KC. Today in this video we'll see this branded electric kettle. See, this is the power button and this has auto cut off, means when the water gets boiled fully, this button means the power source will automatically cut off. See, this is the power cord, okay, and yeah, this is the 3-pin power cord. And the power wattage is 1350 watts. And see here, this is for the comfort keeping on the power source, means on the cord, means you can easily put in any direction. So this would, most of the electric kettles nowadays are coming up with this design only. See here, this is the Prestige electric kettle with 1350 wattage. Okay, let me show you the inside only. This is the way you can open the cap or the lid, you can say. This is the inside part, and the capacity is 1.5 liter water you can boil in this electric kettle. Yeah, as I said, you can easily mount or easily keep to the power source. See here, with the left hand or the right hand, in any direction you can actually keep this electric kettle. And see here, this is the LED indicator at the bottom. You can see there is LED indicator, the Prestige just beside the Prestige branding. When you give the power source, it will just lit up. Okay, coming to the price, in the online I just checked the price of this Prestige branded electric kettle, which is 1.5 liter and 1350 watts. It is showing something like 699. Anyway, at the end of the video I'll be showing you. And this is the stainless steel material, and the handles are with of good gripping plastic material of good quality, good build. Okay, that I can say as I'm having the physical touch. This is the button sort of lid. You can just press it and just open it. Yeah, now we'll check the online details also. I got the exact kettle, Prestige PKOSS. This is the model number. Okay, electric kettle, and this got 4.1 rating and many purchases and many reviews from the user. Yes, generous 1.5 liter fast boiling. As this is 1350 watt, it will be usually the fast boiling. Okay, cord winder, LED power indicator. I have shown you LED power indicator, and auto cut off feature is there, means once the water gets fully boiled, without you switching off this power source, it will automatically get switched off. Means, yeah, stainless steel body. Yeah, safe, smart and efficient boiling. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments, and please do comment your opinion on this product. If anyone else are already using this Prestige branded electric kettle, please do comment your opinion, so that the people who wants to look at this product, your information will be useful. And anyway, I'll be attaching these products in the view product. Check for more details.